Hello friends, I am Assistant Professor Sharmila Salve. I heartily welcome you all in our channel. Hello friends, our YCMOU online exam timetable is declared. So, today we are going to learn YCMOU TYBA English Literature course number 257. Understanding prose. From the understanding prose, we are going to learn very important MCQ. In this video, we have selected MCQ which are very useful for your online exam. So let's learn. The first question is that what was the first form of earlier English literature? There are some alternatives. First one is verse, second one is a prose, third one is a drama, and fourth one is a none of these. The proper answer or the correct answer is the verse. Second question is that what is the name of first long written poem in English? What is asked in this question? The first long written poem in English. There are some alternatives. Beowulf, Paradise Lost, Religio Medici, and none of these. The proper or the correct answer is Beowulf. Beowulf is the correct answer. Then third question is who used the biblical style in the writing? What is asked in this question? Who used the biblical style of writing in writing? So the alternatives are Milton, Bunyan, Tennyson, and all the above. The correct answer is all above, because Milton, Bunyan, Tennyson, and also Ruskin also belongs to this category, because all these writers were fascinated by the theme of Adam and Eve. That's why they use the biblical style in the writing. The next question. Fourth question is the project of standard text of Bible began in 1607 and was completed in dash dash. There are four alternatives. First one is a 16 and 10, 1611, 1612 or 1613. The correct answer is 1611, because the authorized version of the translated Bible in English was published in the same year. So it is started from 16 and 7, but it completed in 1611, and in the same year it was published too. The next question is what was the aim of the spectacle? The first alternative is to entertain people, second one is to educate people, third one is to ridicule people, or last one is a none of these. What is the question? The aim of spectacle. The aim of the spectacle is to educate people. Next question is that portrait painting is an interesting feature of the literature of dash dash period. Four alternatives are there: Elizabethan period, Romantic period, Restoration period, or all the above. The portrait painting is the interesting feature of the Restoration period. So the proper answer is, or the correct answer is, Restoration period. Then next question is Dryden's prose is the process that is used for dash dash argument. The first alternative is imaginary, second one is a scientific, third one is a literary, and fourth one is a fable. The correct answer is a scientific, because Dryden's all the prose are used for the scientific argument. The next question is Royal Society was written by dash dash. The alternatives are John Ellin, Milton, third one is a Richard Eden, and fourth one is a Harvey. The proper answer is John Evelyn. What is the correct answer? John Evelyn. Next question. Jonathan Swift's famous book is dash dash. There are four alternatives: Gulliver Travel, Royal Society, Circulation of Blood, and none of these. The Jonathan Swift's famous book is none other than Gulliver Travel. So the correct answer is a Gulliver Travel. Next question. In German Romantic literature, find dominance of dash dash element. Fourth alternatives are there: natural, supernatural, personal, or the public. So the German Romantic literature find the dominance of supernatural elements. So the correct answer is a supernatural. Supernatural is the correct answer. Then next question. Fairy Queen is written by dash dash. There are four alternatives: Shakespeare, second one is a Jonathan Swift, third one is a Spenser, and fourth one is none of them. So the Fairy Queen is written by Spenser. So the correct answer is a Spenser. Then next question. Journals started from dash dash century. There are four alternatives: 15th century, 16th century, 17th, or the 18th century. The correct answer is the 17th century. Journal started from 16th century. Then next question. Dash dash is the first form of journalism. What is asked in this question? First form we have asked about the journalism. So the alternatives are: first one is a essay, second one is a handwritten letter, third one is a drama, and fourth one is novel. So the correct answer is handwritten letter. Handwritten letter is the first form of the journalism. Let's move on. Next question. The Pilgrim Progress deals with the theme of man's life dash dash. Alternatives are: as a journey, as a holiday, as a tragedy, and none of these. The correct answer is as a journey, because Pilgrim Progress deals with the theme. The main theme of the Pilgrim Progress is explained as a journey of man's life. So the correct answer is as a journey. Move on the next question. The Gothic novel known as dash dash. First alternative is novel of tragedy, novel of terror, novel of romance, and novel of none of these. So the Gothic novel is known as the novel of terror. And last question is that dash dash is the father of English novel. Who is called the father of English novel? See the alternative. First one is a Walter Scott, second one is a Richardson, third one is a Henry Fielding, and fourth one is a Jane Austen. So the father of English novel, particularly what is asked English novels father, we have asked the father of English novel is a Henry Fielding. In this way we have seen understanding prose. This course very selected MCQs first part. On the next lecture we will see the second part of this prose very soon. So thank you so much.